Have you ever had that situation where you've been on a heavy traffic, you've touched potholes, you may even have witnessed one or two road rage, and then you get to the hospital and it's time for you to take your blood pressure. Sometimes they want to take it now because you're probably running late, and then you check your blood pressure and it's through the roof. So that's why sometimes some of the blood pressure that is taken outside of your home may not always be the accurate one. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can take an accurate blood pressure at home by yourself. Before you start taking your blood pressure, make sure you avoid caffeine, smoking, or any form of exercise at least 30 minutes before your blood pressure reading. Ensure you empty your bladder, stay in a quiet environment, and also you're encouraged to take maybe 2 or 3 readings and then you compare the average. To start, make sure you're in a calm environment. Sit down comfortably for about 5 minutes before taking your reading. Then position your arm on a flat surface like a table with your palm facing up. Your heart should be at the same level as your arm. Wrap the cuff around your upper arm about an inch above your elbow. Make sure it's snug but not too tight. Then press the start button on your digital monitor to take your blood pressure reading. Make sure during this time you remain quiet, you're not moving your hands around, and you're not having any conversation until you get your results. Once you have your reading, jot it down in a notebook. It's always a good idea to take your blood pressure reading at the same time every day to maintain consistency. I've also made another video where I talked about what blood pressure is, how to know if you're hypertensive. I'm going to attach that video here. Please try and watch that video. It's very important. And if you've watched to this point, please like, share, and subscribe to support this channel. Thank you guys for always watching. Bye bye.